Hello YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna teach you guys how to do a beginner combo, and the move gonna be like this. And here's the slow-mo. Alright, to begin, you're gonna start with the safe handle, do a half twirl, and prepare to put your thumb here on the safe handle, and then do a vertical thumb rollover. That's gonna give you the bite handle, and prepare to put your index finger here on the bite handle and do vertical index rollover. That's gonna give you the bite handle, and then after that do a twist, and then again do a vertical thumb rollover, and for the last do an ice pick aerial for closing, like that. So again from the beginning, and the move gonna be like this. Alright, that's pretty much for tutorial today. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.